Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect Skool with thousands of other apps and automate your community building. So I have created this custom app on make.com. Make is a free alternative to Zapier. If you do not have any make.com account, you can use the link below this video to create one. It's completely free, you don't need to pay anything. When you will click on this link, I have provided this in the description. When you will click it, it will take you to installation page. So what you need to do is click on this install button. It lets you connect this with the organization that you have created. So I will select my organization, which is by default my organization, and I will click on install. And once this is done, you can click on go to dashboard. And this is the new account that I have created just for this testing. I want you to go to create new scenarios. So for this example, I'm going to use ConvertKit. It is my email software. You can use this in thousands of other ways. For this example, I'm using ConvertKit. So my idea is that if anyone submits a form on ConvertKit, they will get an invitation to join my community. So I'll show you step by step how it is done. So I will select ConvertKit. I will click on watch form subscription because I want it to trigger as soon as people fill that form. And then I will click on create a webhook. Then it will ask for my API secret key. If you are using ConvertKit, you need to go to account setting, advanced setting, and then API secret. I will quickly submit it and then save it. And now my connection is established. This is the form ID that I have created for testing. I will save it. And now I can click OK. So this is done. So here is how this form looks like. I have already created it. You don't need to worry about ConvertKit if you are not using it. You can use this app with PayPal, Stripe, and all these other thousands of applications. So idea is when people submit their email address, they should receive an invitation to join my community. So I'm gonna click on add another module, and that's where I will click Skool. Now this is the app that you need to use, Skool app free, not the other one, because you can see it's invited to you, right? So then you need to click on send invitation to join. And once it is done, you can click on create a connection. And that's where you need to write your connection name. I'll say hub connection, and then it will ask you to add your webhook URL. Now you can see the instructions here. If I will go to community setting, my community is called the hub, not the classroom section, but community section. And I will go to setting, and then I will click on plugin. That's where I can find my webhook. So I will click on edit, and then I will simply copy this. And this URL I want you to paste here. And now the connection is established. And this is the field where you want to put user's email address. So for doing it, I'll simply select it and I will use one of these options. So email address. So what it is doing is basically every time when someone is signing up on this form, it is sending this email address to my app. So I'll click on OK, and this is pretty much it. Now let's try and see how it works. So I'll click on run once, and I will go to my form and I will fill my email address. So it says check your email to confirm your subscription. I will go to my email. Here is my email address. I'll click on confirm your subscription. So ConvertKit has registered my email, and if I will go to my scenario, I can see this is done. So let's see if I have actually received the invitation or not. And here it is. You can see I have invited to join Conscious Entrepreneurs Hub. That means the integration is working. So use the link below this video to sign up for make.com. That is my affiliate link. Feel free to use it, or you don't need to use it. So I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you have any questions around it, or if you need any further support with this.